how to change wallpaper on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone, either to use an image that you took, or you can use different textures or solid colors, things like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to change the wallpaper on your iPhone. All you need to do is first open up the settings. Then once you get into settings, scroll down to the third section and select wallpaper. Now that we're in wallpaper, all you need to do is select add new wallpaper. And you can first see in here that we have several different options. We can use some of their featured items, which are just colors or emojis, weather, things like that. Additionally, you have the options at the top where you can use a live photo, select astronomy. They also have suggested photos if you want to, or you can even do a photo shuffle using an album, something like that. So they have several different options you can use. I'm just going to select the suggested photo right here. And then as you can see, once I have the photo here, I can swipe from right to left to go through different filters. And I can also crop it by pinching and zooming if I want to have just a section. And as you can see up there on the 12, my dog's tail is going over the number. So it has kind of a 3D effect to it. Additionally, you can select the three dots at the bottom right, and you can turn off that depth effect or even show the photo in the library. If you want to change the photo, just select the photo icon in the bottom left. So once you get the photo cropped and lined up the way you want it with the filter you want, just select add, and then you can set it as a wallpaper pair so that your home screen has the same wallpaper, or you can customize your home screen and change it to whatever you want. I'm just going to select set as wallpaper pair. So now when I go back to my home screen, you can see that the dog is there. You can also see on my lock screen that that is my new wallpaper. All right, so that's how you change wallpaper on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.